Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop redirects in Google Chrome web browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome launches and you can see your main browsing window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three vertical dots there, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's Settings page in a new tab, where you can customize and control various aspects of your browsing experience. The Settings page is your central hub for managing everything from your privacy preferences to how websites behave in your browser. Once you're on the Settings page, look at the left side of your screen where you'll see a navigation panel. In this panel, click on Privacy and Security. This section is specifically designed to help you control how Chrome handles your data and how websites interact with your browser, making it the perfect place to manage pop-ups and redirects. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find an option labeled Site Settings and click on it. Site Settings gives you granular control over what individual websites are allowed to do, including permissions for notifications, location access, and importantly for our purposes today, pop-ups and redirects. Now, look through the list of Site Settings options until you find pop-ups and redirects and click on it. This specific setting controls whether websites are allowed to automatically open new windows or redirect you to different pages without your permission. These redirects can be annoying and sometimes even lead to potentially harmful websites, so managing this setting is crucial for a smoother and safer browsing experience. On this page, you'll see a radio button option that says "Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects." Simply click the radio button next to this option to enable it. By selecting this, you're telling Chrome to block websites from automatically redirecting you or opening unwanted pop-up windows, giving you much more control over your browsing experience. And that's it! You've successfully configured Chrome to stop redirects, which means you'll no longer be automatically sent to different pages against your will. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.